Hi, I am CA Ashutosh Rathi. In this video, I am going to share one of the biggest mistakes that students commit when they prepare for theory subjects. While I have been mentoring students in Ignite program, I observed one fundamental mistakes that students commit while they study those questions of theory subjects wherein they are supposed to apply the provisions of the law. Now, let us understand this mistake by way of comparing the approach that we apply in practical subject vis-a-vis theory subject. So, we'll take an example of a practical subject, say costing. In costing, how do we study? First of all, we understand the concept. Then, we apply the understanding in the problem. We solve it on our own. And then, we compare the solution. We give our best shot to solve the problem first on our own, and then only we compare the solution. And if at all we see the variances in the answers, we learn from it. Correct? This is the way we do it. Now, what if अगर ऐसा कोई स्टूडेंट है जो सबसे पहले सॉल्यूशन देख लेता है और फिर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करता है? What will happen to such student? Is this approach right? No. This student will never develop the problem solving ability to solve any problem, and in the examination hall it will be a huge struggle. Correct? Now, in theory subjects, what's happening? Possibly many of you would be committing the same mistakes. In my experience of mentoring students, I saw majority of them are committing this mistake. What they do is they read the problem and then they look at the solution and then they try to memorize it. Does that work? This way, students will never be able to develop the problem solving ability which is going to be useful for actually solving the problems in the examination hall. So what is the ideal approach to study? Now, I'm going to share you the way to study. And what is the acronym for that? The acronym of this technique is PASS. P-A-S-S. Yes, we all want to pass. This technique, if you apply, it will definitely help and go a long way to enable you to clear the examinations. So, what does PASS stands for? P stands for provision, A stands for attack, S stands for seek, and the second S stands for solution. So, let's look at the first step, that's P. Provision. You read the provision properly and the rules, if any. Then, second step, attack. Attack on the problem. With whatever knowledge you have of the provision, apply your best to get the answers on your own. Take a rough page and try to write the solution on your own. Now, suppose you're not able to get the pinpoint solution. Go to the third step. The third step is seeking. What does seeking means? You seek the answer by going back to the provision. Now, because you know the problem, you know exactly what is being asked. So you can go to the provision, the subsection, the rules, and find the solutions on your own. Once you're exhausted that, well, I have given my best, then you go for the fourth step. That is solution. I'm telling you, 90 to 95% of times, your solutions will be right. But if you're not finding the answers right, then you know exactly where you went wrong because you tried your best. This is exactly the same way that you applied in the practical subject like costing. Students, when you apply this technique, your study becomes very interesting pursuit. Your study is more like a research rather than just trying to learn it. In my experience, when students apply this technique, their mind becomes very focused and they perform much better. And more importantly, when you study in this manner in the examination hall, because you are ready with your problem solving ability, you can do it much better. Now, if you found this video helpful, then I'm sure it will be helpful for your friends too. So please share this video along with them. If you would like to know more about Ignite, India's first and only mentoring program to enable CA students to become the chartered accountant, the easiest and the quickest way is to go through the frequently asked questions on my website ashutoshrathi.com/FAQs. You can also find the FAQ link in the description box below. For being updated about new ideas and strategies that I would love to share with you, you can do two things. One is you can subscribe to this channel, and you can go to my website and subscribe to the WhatsApp broadcast list, wherein I would be sharing many ideas and strategies that will help you to become the chartered accountant. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.